Hi friends, if you are suffering with fever, watch this video to know what are the foods to eat during fever. Fever is the most common at least once in a life. Fever can be caused for a short period in case of cold, flu, influenza, typhoid, malaria, etc. When you are suffering from fever, you have to take lots of fluids or liquid juices for few days. Orange juice enhances the natural immunity and increases the body ability to fight with fever as it is rich in vitamin C. All fresh fruits are good during fever. Fruits are loaded with variety of vitamins and are easy to digest. The vitamins in fruits help to hastening and recovering process. Fruits like oranges, apples, grapes, lemons and pineapples are recommended. Khichdi. Khichdi is the best recommended Indian diet during fever. It is light, easy to digest, balanced meal and a comfort food during fever. Khichdi provides all the essential nutrients to the body and ghee aids digestion and boost immunity. Steam it up with lemon pickle. Dalia. Broken wheat or dalia is the Indian food recommended during fever. Vegetables can be added for taste. Dalia can easily digest and it is also a healthy and nutritious diet to give during fever. Soft diet. The soft diet or soft foods are easy to digest. They supply loads of energy necessary for the recovery process. A soft diet like steamed vegetables, porridge, boiled eggs, and yogurt are recommended during fever. Roti. Roti are easily digestible and recommended during fever. Avoid ghee or oil on roti when suffering with fever. As roti is made with whole grains, it is healthy and nutritious diet for those people who are suffering with fever. Curd. Curd will provide you the beneficial bacteria which helps the body to fight against infections and diseases. Curd also provides a soothing effect to a sore throat during fever, but avoid chilled curd. Vegetables broth. Vegetable broth is beneficial and best to treat fever. Ginger, rice porridge, and vegetable broth combined together is the best diet. Vegetable broth can digest easily as the ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and helps in eliminating fever in the initial stage. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is recommended during fever. It provides proteins, nutrients and warmth to the body. Chicken soup also helps to reduce fever, congestion, flu symptoms and high body temperatures. Probiotic fruits are used as antibiotics in children. A research found that probiotic foods can effectively heal fever and cough. The foods like yogurt, fermented cabbage, fermented soya products, and buttermilk are rich in probiotic. Herbal tea. Herbal tea is recommended during fever. Basil or tulsi tea rejuvenates your mood. The tulsi chai or basil tea provides relief from cold, cough, and a sore throat. Raisins. Raisins are recommended during fever. They contain vitamin C, which helps in fighting feverish conditions. Raisins or dry grapes also contain antioxidants that help you to fight infections within the body. Garlic. Garlic is recommended during fever as it contains antioxidants that boost the infection fighting strength of your body. Garlic can be taken with solid or liquid food during fever. Consume garlic cloves with hot water twice in a day to reduce fever. Eggs. Boiled eggs are nutritious and increase antibodies, producing white blood cells. The white blood cells fight against infections in the body, thus eggs are beneficial during fever. So friends, if you are suffering with fever, eat the food as discussed in this video, but before following any of this diet, take doctor consultation, meet your family doctor and take proper medication. If you like this video, share this video to friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.